IT Ministry has requested X to block the government of Pakistan handle, and X has done it, is what we can see at this point in time. The account government of Pakistan has been withheld in India. This is action on the part of the government of India, demanding, in fact, action against the government of Pakistan. There is going to be retaliation, and this is an example of that. The ministry requesting X to block the government of Pakistan handle. Aishwarya has more. The account, we know Aishwarya stands withheld at this point in time.
Well, this was a request which was made by the government of India, by the IT ministry. They had asked X, and this request was sent a couple of hours ago, and swift action has been taken by X. This account, the government of Pakistan account, cannot be seen in India. We will see the account being withheld for the next couple of days. How long will it last? It depends on the government of India. But yes, this is the first step that has been taken. Not just that, let me also tell you, IT ministry at the moment very closely looking at the chatter that is taking place, especially on X with regards to this terror attack. The government of India now wants to make sure that they close all the avenues for information from India going out, and especially going to Pakistan. That's the focus, and we are also seeing X also taking very swift action. The government of Pakistan's Twitter handle will now not be seen in India.
Well, absolutely. And this is just one of the few series of measures, Aishwarya, that the government has undertaken or, established its resentment, sheer disgust with what has happened, isn't it?
Exactly, Sneha. And this is just step one. We will see multiple steps being taken. All eyes on that very crucial all-party meeting that will take place at 6 p.m. The government of India will tell all the parties what exactly has happened, how it happened, and they will also be telling them about the future plans. We also understand the Congress party, Sneha, at the moment is having a very crucial meeting. They will decide how they will go forward. So with regards to India as a whole, unitedly, we are now all set to take action. And let me tell you, from what I can gather from the Bharatiya Janata Party and from the central government at the moment, we will see swift action, decisive action, and we will do something that will stop these terror attacks from happening on our soil. The government very, very clear at the moment, and the idea for the all-party meeting is to make sure that all the parties are on one side. They understand what the government is doing, and we will see pressure being building from India to make sure that these kind of incidents do not happen in future. This is just the beginning. At the moment, what we understand, X has agreed to the request that India had made. The government of Pakistan's Twitter handle will not be seen. We will see more of these things happening in the next couple of hours also, Sneha.
Aishwarya, be with us. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now.